Welcome to Domus Design, where we bring you fresh inspiration for beautiful spaces. Today we're diving into the beauty of small house tropical gardens, proof that even the tiniest front yard can bloom with vibrant exotic charm. Loving this idea? Hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to join our creative community. Small spaces don't mean small dreams. A tropical garden can transform your front yard into a lush, inviting oasis, no matter the size. The key is to embrace bold colors, layered textures, and smart design. Think vibrant flowers, glossy green leaves, and a touch of paradise right at your doorstep. Whether you have a tiny porch or a narrow strip of land, you can create a tropical vibe that feels both relaxing and energizing. Use ground covers like colorful caladiums, low-growing ferns, or creeping jasmine to fill small spaces with lush greenery. They're perfect for borders or bare spots and create a carpet of color. Choose low-maintenance tropical plants. Think dwarf palms, bird of paradise, or heliconias. These thrive in warm climates, require minimal upkeep, and deliver that exotic wow factor. Create defined garden beds using raised borders, bricks, or stones. This keeps your space organized and lets you group plants for a fuller, more polished look. For extra impact, add a focal point like a single tall plant, say a banana tree, or a flowering frangipani to draw the eye and add height. Pro tip, mix tall and short plants to create layers that make your small garden feel bigger and more dynamic. To take your tropical garden to the next level, add elements that bring it to life. A small water feature, like a bubbling fountain or a shallow pond, introduces soothing sounds and attracts birds and butterflies. Create a simple pathway using stepping stones or gravel to guide visitors through your garden. It adds structure and charm. Incorporate natural accents like river rocks, driftwood, or coral pieces for a beachy tropical vibe. The beauty of a small tropical garden is how much personality it can hold. Start with a simple plan. Clear your space, sketch a layout, and choose plants that suit your climate and style. Don't be afraid to experiment. Mix bold colors like red hibiscus with soft greens like ferns, or add a pop of yellow with allamanda. Maintenance is key, so water regularly, prune as needed, and use mulch to keep soil moist and weeds at bay. With a little care, your garden will thrive, offering a daily dose of inspiration and tranquility. Every small space has endless potential. With creativity and a few outdoor tricks, your front yard can become a tropical paradise that lifts your spirits every day. Try one or two of these ideas and watch your garden bloom. What's your favorite tropical plant or design tip? Drop it in the comments. We can't wait to hear from you.